Morning, Empire Elementary, and happy Superintendent's Conference Day. My name is Lindsay Gales, and welcome to our virtual professional development event on adjusting to online education. As a veteran elementary teacher myself, I'm happy to share my experiences. Though you are viewing me through the screens of your computerized device, know that you have just gained a support system to help you through your e-learning journey. March 13th, 2020, we all know this date. Teachers received their robocalls. You had limited time to gather your supplies and to set up your home learning classrooms. Our nation was officially put into a state of emergency. This was the day our world changed, but little did we realize just how much the field of education would transform alongside it. You were expected to assume your normal duties from the confines of the four corners of your Chromebook. You now have to manage 25 students from separate locations, learn new technology, and teach students these new applications. Figure out how to assess them, how to ensure knowledge retention, and how to hold them accountable, while ensuring an engaging classroom community all at the same time. You feel alone, lost, no direction, no clear path to follow, no end date in sight. How do I manage this? This is not what I learned. This is not what I studied. I was not prepared for this. I don't even have all of my curriculum textbooks with me. So you stay up late, browsing the internet for tips, tricks, and virtual learning app suggestions. Then there are implications on student health. Students are home, isolated from one another, away from the safe space of the classroom they know and love. They struggle. They can't escape their home lives. They witness the stress and anxiety their families are living. They have difficulty expressing their feelings through a screen. This screen put a barrier between us. They start to feel stress and anxiety and fear, emotions they shouldn't have to feel. Students are left to navigate these waters by themselves, and some parents are able to stand by and support them through online schooling, but some are first responders tending to the emergency, and some are working at home themselves. Students are creating classrooms out of their kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, and facing implications and glitches in technology. What students needed the most was community. So many of you created one-on-one virtual meetings. You drove to your students' houses. You created crafts, games, scavenger hunts for them to do at home. You resorted to multimodal experiences to differentiate instruction and cater to individual needs. You read to them. You sent materials home. You helped parents' frustrations. But there are some positives in all of this, believe it or not. According to Mark Prensky, our current Generation Z learners are digital natives. They have always been surrounded by a technological world, and because of this, they can easily acclimate to the changes in technology. This is what our learners need, a new educational approach. And I'm here to tell you that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. There are many technological advancements that have shifted to be more distance learning friendly due to the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. There's an easy way to start creating more engagement, community communication, and more excitement in your learners. And your answer is Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a video discussion platform where students can create short video responses to ignite dialogue, according to Tia again. This is the application to elevate your teaching, document student learning, teach empathy, model new skills, promote a supportive classroom community, and create positive communication along peers. This is a great application to use to promote student-to-student interactions and for students to really get to know one another. Students can share introductory videos, and they can show specific importances to them. Flipgrid allows others to post video responses, which can help foster new friendships and build connections among your classmates. Teachers who are familiar with the responsive teaching approach or restorative justice approach will easily be able to incorporate Flipgrid videos into morning meetings and restorative circles. This is a safe way for students to freely discuss their emotions. They can choose filters and emoticons that can help them identify their feelings to others, and in return, it prompts teachers and peers to give appropriate support. Students will love the creativity they have with designing and crafting their own videos, and they can truly show off their learning. Teachers can set specific directions and time restrictions to keep students on task. This multimodal experience gives learners free rein to add text, diagrams, photos, filters to adapt to their learning style needs. Before your eyes, you will start to see engagement again. Flipgrid is effortless to add into your roster of online learning resources. You can easily post this assignment right on your Google Classroom or other learning management system. This is a free website, and it's easily accessible through any technological device. Lower elementary teachers, no need to worry. This application is user-friendly for all grade levels. Flipgrid is flexible. According to Tia again, this resource is free to all educators. This website also has automatic transcription of audio. Educators can quickly activate closed captions to assist any audio or visual learner needs. Flipgrid can be utilized across all grade levels and all subject matter. It's inclusive and accessible. accessible. All you have to do is launch the Flipgrid app on your chosen web browser. Enter the grid, add a new response, create and customize your video, take a selfie as your cover page, decorate it, add decorations, time restrictions, and expectations. Sit back and let your students take the stage. There are infinite topic possibilities. You can use this as an icebreaker to set expectations, to model instruction, as a unit reflection, taking virtual home tours, at-home scavenger hunts, morning meetings, socio-emotional lessons. The list goes on. Think outside the box. This journey is what you make it. Do your teacherly duty and share with others. Teach your district, share with colleagues, spread the word. This is the time to introduce new ideas, and I guarantee you this will spark many. You will be able to put students back in the center of their own learning while you track their progress and their understanding from afar. The fog is clearing. There's a pathway to follow. Though it may be fresh and it may lead us to new grounds, technology is on our side. It is constantly changing and adapting. Check out other technological support videos that I have created on Screencastify, Zoom, Google Forms, Kami, Padlet, Kahoot, Quizlet, iXL, and iReady. There are a plethora of options to start pushing into your classroom. Be open to the change. Be open to the light. You have faced extreme challenges and have overcome them. You're stronger than you know. Please contact me with any questions you may have going forward. I am here to assist any way I can. I hope you enjoyed this Pecha Kucha and consider introducing Flipgrid into your classroom. Goodbye for now, Perry Elementary.